We move to the second part. Plus, okay, and 5x plus 15. 5 is common. X plus 3. Here, common. So what do we do now? X plus 3, 2x square plus 5. Where did I get these two from? One is this, which we write in one bracket itself, just once. And one is whatever is outside the bracket. We bring them together and write it over here. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Crack It with CK. In our factorization series, we just did common factor method in the previous class. Today we are going to do the grouping method. Let us quickly get to it. Okay, this is question number 1 of the grouping method. Now if you remember in phase 1 what we did, the sum was as small as this in most cases. So what would we do? We would take the common in these two, which is 2. Highest common factor of 2 and 10, and then we would look at the variables. In this case there are no common variables, so it doesn't come out of the bracket. And then we did x plus 5 to check that 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 5 is 10. This is what we did in the previous phase 1. Please watch that before you come here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in 2 parts. Let's see how to do that. Okay, first part is here. What is common? X with the least number of power, which is x square, x plus 5. How did I get this? What did I do? X into x will give me x cube and 5x square, because 5 into x square is 5x square. Now what do I do? Go to the second part. Plus 2 is common in 2 and 10. X plus 5. Okay, now what is important is this bracket which we get, x plus 5, x plus 5. Both the terms in this bracket have to be exactly the same with the same sign in between. And then we write the common one first, x plus 5, and whatever remains out like this, x square plus 2 in the next bracket. I'm doing 10 sums of this kind, guys. So I'm sure you will understand what I'm trying to say as we move further. Question number 2 again, what is common in this? 2 and 6. What is the highest common factor? 2. What about x? X square. Okay, now what do we want? We want 2x cube, but 2x square is already here. So I'm just going to put one x plus 3. Is that it? First check whether it is correct. 2x into 2x square into x is 2x cube. Yes. And 2 3s is 6x square. Yes. Now we move to the second part. Plus, okay, and 5x plus 15. 5 is common. X plus 3. Here, common. So what do we do now? X plus 3, 2x square plus 5. Where did I get these two from? One is this, which we write in one bracket itself, just once. And one is whatever is outside the bracket. We bring them together and write it over here. Now, whether you place this bracket first or this, it does not matter because it is multiplication. Let's move to the next one. Come on, I'll go a little faster now. Okay, what is common? A is common, no number is common. B plus 4. Well, we want to check quickly. Okay. AB plus 4A. Nice. Plus 3B plus 4. So now I can also write A plus 3 in the first bracket and the common one B plus 4 in the second bracket. This is my bracket, okay? It's not C. Question number 4. What is common in 5 and 15? 5. What is common in this? Mn and only M. So M is common. N minus 5 3s are 15. N is already out. Plus 2. N minus 3. So 5M plus 2 and N minus 3. Okay, question number 5. What is common in this? 6 and 9, 3x square. 3 2s is 6. We will need one more x here to make it x cube, plus 3 3s are 9. X square is already outside. We don't need to put it in the bracket. Minus, okay, 10x and 15, what is common? 5. You can't put x. Okay, minus 5. So 5 2s are 10. We have x. Now be extremely careful over here, guys. Whenever you put a minus sign over here, you will put the opposite sign over here. I'll tell you why. So firstly, it has to match with this number 1, but that doesn't mean that you put the incorrect sign, okay? So whenever there is a minus sign over here, you will always write the opposite sign of what you are actually going to write. So I will write plus 3. Now if I'll try to match the same, minus 5 into positive 2 is minus 10. And minus into plus is minus. So if I would have copied the minus sign over here, what would have happened? This would have become minus into minus plus, which is obviously wrong. So this is a trick. Then whenever you see a minus sign outside the bracket, the opposite sign will come over here. Okay, now quickly, what is the common bracket? 2x plus 3. Either we write the common one first, or we write 3x square minus 5 first. That doesn't matter. In this case, I'm writing it second. Question number 6. Come on, I think now you get it. 4 12. 4 3s is 12 and 7 3s is 21. Okay. 4y square. 4 is already out. We just need 1y minus 3. Minus 7y. Very careful. You have put a minus sign outside the bracket. Y minus 3. Instead of this plus, we will put minus so that we get minus into minus as plus when we simplify it. So the common one is here 4y square minus 7. The next question number 7. 9 and 27, 9 is common. M is common, is coming out. Okay, 9. P minus 9 3s is 27q plus 4n is common because it's there in both. P minus 3q. Okay, now why didn't we change the sign over here? It was minus, but we are still writing minus because here there is a plus sign. Only if it is a minus sign over here, we write the opposite of this, okay? So P minus 3q, common one, 9m plus 4n. Now, sometimes you know what can happen, guys? This may not be given in this format. What you may have to do is you may have to rearrange the terms. That gets tricky. We'll see that when we come across those sums. Okay, now look at this one. 3 and 8, it's not common, right? 8 doesn't come in the tables of 3. 4 and 6, yes. But now what are we going to do? We are going to see to it that we have to get the same bracket, right, guys? So let us just rearrange this and see. 3xy, you can write with a pencil if you want in your test or your paper or when you are practicing. Minus 6y, so this will give me 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. And then 4 and minus 8, if you put here, you will get 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1 2 1 2. 3xy, I'm just rearranging, okay? Minus 6y plus 4x minus 8. I have not even started to solve, guys. I have rearranged these 4 terms. I've brought this in the second place. This is in the third place only. And I have brought this to the fourth place. Now, can I factorize it comfortably? Let's see. 3 and 6, what is common? 3y is common. X minus 2, because we have 6. Plus 4 is common. X minus 2. You understand now why we need to rearrange? X minus 2, 3y plus 4. Question number 9. Oh my god, this looks a little dangerous, but see where we can rearrange. Do we even need to rearrange? We are not sure. Okay. What I'm going to do is first I'll check these two. Okay. 45 and 27, they both are there in the 9 times tables. I think 9 is the highest common factor of these two. 9 5s are and 9 3s are, and 5 5s are and 5 3s are. Okay, it looks as if it does not need rearrangement. Let us try. 49 a cube b square, this and this. What is common here? A square b square. 9 5s are is 45. A we will have to put because we have only a square outside. B square is already here, so we don't have to put. Plus 9 3s are is 27. A square is already out. B square is also out. Close the bracket. Minus 25 and 15. Common is 5. 5. A is not there. A is not common. B square is common in both, so it comes out. 5 5s are is 25. A we'll have to write here. Minus 5. Oh, we have to write plus here. 3. B square is already out. Why do you have to write plus here, guys? Because there is minus, so we write the opposite of that. Why we do that? 5 into 5. Negative 5, positive 5 is negative 25, and negative and positive is again negative 5. So 5a plus 3, 9a square b square minus 5b square. Okay, nice. I think I'm going to do the last sum. I hope you all have understood. If at all this part is a little tricky, then you just revise it a little bit, just once more before you attempt a test. I've just given you 2 sums for the test. Let's do question number 10 before that. Okay, now let us first check whether these two have, what is the common factor of these two? 9. 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27, and in this the common factor is 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6. 7 3 7 3. Okay, let us try without rearranging. 9 is common. A is there in both? Yes. B square, no, we don't have b over here at all, so we cannot remove it common. X cube is fully there, so x cube will come here. 9 7s are 63. A is already out. B square minus 9 3s are is 27. A is already out. X cube is out, so only v. Plus 14 and 6. 2 is common. B square is not common. X raised to the power 4 is common. 2 7s are is 14. B square. X raised to the power 4 is already out. Minus 2 3s are is 6. V. Okay, so what is happening here? Exactly the same. So we write 7b square minus 3v in one bracket, 9ax cube plus 2x raised to the power 4. What is the second part here? This will come here. That's it, guys. This is how grouping of factorization is done. Now you have to attempt one test. I'm going to bring out the answers. I'm going to reveal the answers to you. Let us see who will get it correct. Okay, this is it. Pause your video for a minute. Copy this down. Quickly get the solution, and I'm bringing up the solution in a minute. Okay, here is the solution. In the second one, we needed to rearrange this in order to get our common brackets over here. If you want more practice like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know who all got 2 out of 2. Just write this in the comment section. Let me see who all got it right. That's all for today. I will be uploading the next phases very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.